Okay, so welcome back guys to another video. Today in this video we are going to be going over how to install mods onto your BeamMP server. It's been a very long time. I said I was going to do the video soon, but it's been a very long time. That's because I've had things to sort out. Work, college, you name it, I've had to sort it out. But here we are now, doing the mods video. So, yeah. Let's get into it. So, in the last video I showed you how to set up your BeamMP server, get it working, get all the port forwarding done, all that fun stuff. That was on my old PC, so I've redone it. I've got a new server, right? But this is everything the same, right? So you should now have a BeamMP server folder. You go into the folder, and inside it should be this right here, your server and all that, right? You'll notice you have these two folders here, .Sentry Native and Resources. You want to open up Resources, and now you'll be left with these two folders here. Server, the server folder is for things like plugins. For example, Cobalt Essentials, those kind of things. And if you go on the BeamMP website, there are more plugins and all kinds of stuff. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get more plugins. In the client section, this is what you want your clients to download. So when I join someone's server, I am technically a client in quotation marks. So I will request all of the mods, and this will give all the client the mods. Player mods, you want to go into you'll be in your server folder. You want to go to Resources, Client, and then this folder will be empty. So you can minimize that, because now we need to go and get our mods. So here we go. We'll take this. This looks pretty cool. I might actually add this into one of my main servers. So once you found the mod you want to hit download now. But you want to make sure this is the zip. You don't want to view it in game. You don't want to subscribe. You want to download now as the zip file, and you'll be left with this zip file. So now you want to drag that. So if we go ahead and open up our file, client file, you want to drag the zip file into your client section of your server. Do not extract it, do not touch the mod, just leave it in there, that's it. Now you have that mod on the server. So if we go ahead and close this, and then open our server, as you can see here, loaded 1 mods. All successfully, everything is okay. So now we want to load up our game. Let's go to this Artemis test. And you'll notice right here, mod names, Ubishu, Prodigy, Connect, and it'll say here, downloading. There we go, we're downloading mod. Loading meshes, there we go. And then once we're in, notice the mod should be there. Boom. Right, now, let me go to vehicles. Oh look, Ubishu Prodigy. There it is, and yeah. So we can spell the rally version. Yeah. So yeah, there's the there it is, and I'm in my server right here. Public server, works very well. So now that's the basic kind of mods. So that's like your vehicles and all that kind of stuff. Now you want to know how you want to get a custom map. For example, American Road, B Sports Playground, all those kind of car jump arena if you really want to. So take Ghost Desert, go to Resources, go to Client. I just tried that one, it didn't work, so we're going to go Ghost Desert, plop that in there. You want to go to the levels, you want to rename, copy. Go back to the server, you want to open the configuration file. and then you want to change the map name to the name of the map. Save, close that, run the server, which it's already open, so let's close it down. And then run the server. And then we got Ghost Desert, Matt, Ghost Desert, Nubishu, Prodigy. In theory this should work. If it doesn't, it might be the map. No, there we go, working. And there we go, we're in the map. As you can see, Ghosts Desert. And we've also got the Nubishu Prodigy. As you can see right here. As you can see, we're in the map. And we've got the all our mods. So that's how you add mods into your server. Now we're gonna go into plugins. Plugins are a lot harder. They're not as needed, but they are needed if you want to do, well, most of the time they're needed mainly for like racing and like all that kind of stuff. But yeah, 90% of the time you won't need plugins. You can just run your server as it is. However, for those of you that really do want plugins, this is how you do it. For those of you who don't want plugins, you don't have to watch this next part, but it may help. So, for plugins, what you want to do, you want to go to the BeamMP plugins. Again, there'll be a link in description. So it's the BeamMP plugin area. So we got Uncle Joey's bass, that's time withering, MOTD, reset limiting, and more. This one I've never used, but you can try it. There's a lot of stuff in here that I haven't really used, but you can try. So Cobalt Essentials is one of my favourites. It adds more commands, and it's pretty easy to use, to be fair. I quite like it. Okay, we'll just do Cobalt Essentials. We'll do the easiest way that I know. So, let's go ahead and download Cobalt Essentials. So, there's your Cobalt Essentials plugin. So you want to go to Resources. Now this time you want to go to Server. Here's your plugins folder. You want to drag this into here. But this time, you want to extract it into this folder, into the server folder. So here we go. So yep, and now this is just for Cobalt Essentials only, but you want to get rid of the master part off the end. So if we rename, take away all the master and our Cobalt Essentials. Again, get rid of the master part. And there we go. So this is Cobalt Essentials. Now what you want to do is you want to start your server. So BeamMP Server. It's not right. Oh, so what's happened there is because it's in a file, it's not reading it right. So what we want to do is we want to go here, drag that to server, and there we go. Right. So now it's Cobalt Essentials is all good. So now when we run the server, So here we go, now it's all loaded, we've got Cobalt Essentials open, it's all good. So, what you can do now is you can run a app called IceCon. IceCon, which is a remote connection software, and you can use this to connect to a server. So for this one, I'm going to type my IP. Followed by the port, which is 20814. That's the remote connection port, as you can see here. Opening Archon port on 20814. Password is by default password. And then, okay, so to check that you are connected, type status. And there we go. As you can see right here, it says the name of the server, players, all that. So now if we type something like connected, shows who's connecting, who's loading, who's downloading mods, all that kind of stuff. And in fact, if we type help, it will give us a list of commands, but we can put kick. Here we are, status on the server, whitelist, ban, set CFG, help, obviously, status details, so status detail, so obviously it would show us stuff about people, uptime, so uptime, yeah, 3 minutes and 33 seconds, also if we type say, and then space, and then hello world, that will say it in the game. So if somebody was in the server, they would come up in the bottom in the chat saying server hello world. But yeah, so that's how you in fact, if we type stop, we can actually turn the server off from here. There we go, server's off. So yeah, that's how you enable plugins and, well, yeah, mods and plugins. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope this tutorial helped. I'm really not sure what the next tutorial needs to be. If you want to leave in the comment section what you think the tutorial should be, I'm more than happy to help. Again, join my Discord server if you've got any problems, even DM me if you really are stuck. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, share this video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.